All right, mate, let's look here. TVK. I do like it. It's a difficult one because is this going to break out now? Is it really going to break out now? The problem I have with this coin is that it's very new. Sometimes when these are very new, they take a lot more time to consolidate and everything else. But you can't deny that there's nice strength here. Nice strength on the 3-day. The problem is it's already up 8%. You know, I don't like buying these coins when they're up 8%. I missed a lot of trades today because my missus is back today for the first time in 6 weeks. So I had a busy day just organizing. I gotta go almost right now and pick her up from the airport. So I wouldn't be buying this yet, right? We're into resistance, but it's an interesting one. If this can break up through here, then it's probably going to go back to, you know, up here. But it needs to break this level conclusively. I would have to say, for me personally, I would rather trade a new 2-week candle, and on a new 2-week candle, then I would trade it to see if it can do something like this. Trade the new 2-week. You know, there's only 2 days left. I know that's annoying, but you know, maybe there might be more upside here if you really want to get on board. I can't suggest buying it here today on this, but I do think there can be more upside. There must be this. I gotta go to the airport. So this could it could have more upside. I don't like buying it in here though. There is a potential bullish pattern forming here, a bullish base. As you can see, this has potential. You know, these bases sometimes can break out to the upside and start running pretty hard to the upside. It can be a bottoming base if it breaks out right correctly. So I would probably trade this tomorrow, and if there's a dip, I would buy the dip tomorrow.